Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use photo assist on a Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we're going to open our gallery application because the photo assist feature is available in our gallery. I'm going to open my gallery, and for example, I'm going to use the photo assist to edit this photo. We can click on the photo, then we can click on this icon to analyze our photos and suggest smart edits, and click on this icon, and then let's see what features will be suggested in this photo. Here we have Remaster and also Object Eraser, and I'm going to show you how we can use both of them. First thing first, this is the Remaster feature, and I'm going to use it to improve my photo quality. Now it's still processing. Okay, and this is the suggestion from my Samsung Galaxy phone. And if we want to accept this suggestion, we just need to click on save. Okay, and now the photo has been saved, or the edited photo has been saved to my gallery, and I'm going to use the object eraser feature. We can click on object eraser, and you just need to follow the instruction from your Samsung Galaxy A25. Then here we have to tap or draw around anything we want to erase. For example, I'm just going to erase this object. Okay, we can tap on it, and then we can click on erase. Okay, and now as you can see that the object has been removed from my photo, then we just need to click on save. Again, this is the final result, guys, and that's how we can use a photo assist on Samsung Galaxy A25. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.